Hey guys, K10 here. It's been a long time, I think 2 months since I last uploaded, and well, lots gotten done on the truck. I'm very tired, so I'll just shut up and show you. The doors are on, we just put them on. AC unit's painted, firewall's mostly done, all new, blah blah. Hinges I painted, doors are on. It's a mess. Wired, heater cores in, glove box, cigarette, ashtray, craps in. Everything's in. Everything. TK shifter's in. Everything. This is going to be a short, sweet video because I'm going to get back to work. But yeah, everything's in. Everything's coming along slowly, but well. So, doors were a pain. Did one side at a time. Brand new weather stripping, so when you go to close it, it's not really staying. So, whatever. I gotta start putting all the internals back in and all that, but other than that, body lines are good. Everything is going slowly but surely. If I sound very exhausted, it's because I am. So, yeah, that's basically it. The doors turned out amazing. They're dirty, but yeah, and dirty. So yeah, that's just a little update for you guys because I haven't uploaded in a long time and my GoPro's inside, so I'm using my phone. But that's everything.
Dad, stand beside the truck.
I am beside the truck. I want to be beside the battery just in case I gotta pull it off.
There's a video on this thing. Hold on.
Okay.
Go?
Yep.
Keep going.
Pump gas up. Are you pumping?
Yeah. Timing?
Try that. Try that. Try that. Try that.
That's idling. So you know why that light was on? After a while my hazards came on. My hazards I had pushed in. So that's why that light was staying on, because the hazards were on. Is that the water pump? Hey guys, K10 here. I'm gonna do a quick video. Hopefully I can show the running of the truck, but I'm gonna make it not runnable because I'm gonna drain all the antifreeze out of it, and yeah, because I'm waiting for a new radiator. That should come in tomorrow, and I got new transmission line, oil transmission cooler. My GoPro is doing a weird thing. Hopefully it's not showing that on the video, but yeah, I'm gonna get to work, so I'll see you in a bit. So long story short, I missed. No, the hose shut off, and yeah, I created a health and safety hazard, so I've been washing it down with water, and the ground has thankfully been taking it all. Hey guys, I'm back. Well, this is it. The rad's out. Another reason why I'm draining the coolant, I need to take the water pump off because of that. That's freshly built. Not by me, I got it refurbished, brand new type thing, and yeah, I never noticed that until I finished painting it. So I'm gonna go bring it back because they said I can. So yeah, I'm gonna put the new rad in. It's supposed to come in tomorrow. I won't get to that, probably Friday night. But yeah, that was a mess. And this is my nice little cart and my tool box I got. So anyways, I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed because I got work tomorrow. I'll see you in the next one.